Oh, he's going real slow. Look how slow these wheels are moving. It's going so slow because there's a tunnel. I hear DPU. Oh, double DPU. So during these trains, when they're so long like this, 'cause there's a bunch of tunnels in Colorado, they have to have a double DPU. Because it's just, there's so much. Oh, we're stopping. Oh, they stopped. I wonder why they stopped. There's the end of it over there. That's a double DPU. Might have lost air. I don't know. There's some rafters. Oh. Hold on, guys.
First shift. Ready? You wanna hang and see this thing go?
Yeah.
Looks like it's the end there, right?
Yep.
So they got pushers and pullers.
Double DPU. Because these trains are so long and there's so many tunnels, they have to have a double DPU.
Okay.
Because of how much. It's like you seeing like one train pulling a whole entire full thing of coal.
That's crazy. Except would you do that? Is
What?
that cool? A where there's some rapids. Rapids are the whitewater where you're doing this and you get splashed and shit.
I want that. I
Yeah.
want to get splashed.
We'll have some of that, but then it'll calm too. You'll hit rapids and then it's calm, and rapids and it's calm. And they're usually class 3. Class 5 is the strongest, and you and I should not go in class 5
Why?
because we're not capable.
That's-
We are whitewater experts.
That's like professionals.
Exactly.
I think it might have lost air.
Those are the ones where you get tossed out of the boat. You want to do that?
I'm
And
not
you
getting.
float down in your life jacket going, holy shit, I hope I don't hit a rock.
I think it lost air.
The train?
Yeah. There's air in all those axles, and it goes through all that entire thing.
Yeah, they got to build up pressure first in order for them to work. Okay, so we just passed through Grizzly, that last stop
Yep.
area, and that was 5.6 miles. The next one is Shoshone, and that is 2 miles from there. And then Hanging Lake is 10.
What's the last one? Hanging Lake?
Dotsero is 16 miles from there, so it'd be 16, and then 16 back is 32 miles. We'll do Hanging Lake and see how we're doing. I'm okay. My legs aren't burning. They were earlier, but then I kicked it to 2, and that helped, and then back down to 1. And I turned our bikes off. Just, it's like leaving your battery running versus even when it's not in use, it's still juicing.
This guy sucks for train traffic too. Oh, there's 2 tracks. Oh, it's probably waiting for another train to come by.
Ah, did you shower? Good for you. It's awesome. We're underneath a bridge past the Grizzly. So we're about 6 miles.
Control the train.
And here, I'm gonna flip it so you can see what we're looking at. Right? So we're under 70.
There's my dad. So the train might have lost air. And there's a double DPU right over there. The train might have lost air. I don't know. We're gonna stay here until we can find out.
Okay, we love you. We'll check in a little while. Bye.
Bye.
I want to get down close to the river at some point and touch the water, see how it feels.
I don't think you can do that.
Somewhere along here, I'm sure you can get closer.
Is there a thing on my back? Something crawling on me?
Did you see all the grasshoppers?
Yeah.
Did you get any? I ran over a couple.
Same. Roadkill. I'll record when it's done.